Morning. This is Porsche 997 auction grade 4 interior B. First impression, car looked great, really nice color. Front bumper was resprayed, was resprayed, but body looked clean, nice. So let me check how about paint coat. Engine was start without any problem and sounds good. Have a little, maybe not dent, little scratch, maybe a little stone impact. So the car is original paint coat. Look nice. I didn't find any damage of the paint coat. So let me check how about interior. Little scratch here near this window bottom. This is not carbon fiber, this is carbon fiber film. Driver's seat look nice, a little scratch and just a little worn. Rear seat same, look good. We have Alcantara, look great. Dashboard look great. Only here we have, I don't know, traces of glue, something like that. No original radio, really good condition. Steering wheel only a little worn, that's all. Nice, really nice, clean car. Same, look good, just little dirty, this is good point. Clean coolant. How about underbody? Wow, nice. Just a little rust on the exhaust system, that's all. No oil leaks, no damage. Oh, we have oil leak. I think this is gearbox. Look, aluminum wheel look good, no damage. Engine sounds good. Nice. I think this is a good car, really good car. So the clutch in good condition, do it well. In my opinion, this is good car. I didn't find any, serious problem. Must think about budget, that's all. So good luck and regards from USS Nagoya.